Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Kia Soul rear bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a socket wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is completely off before starting any work. Begin by locating and carefully removing all visible fasteners and clips along the top edge of the bumper. Next, you'll need to remove the rear combination lamps. After loosening their mounting screws, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors. Then, move to the wheel wells, remove any screws and clips securing the bumper liner. Be thorough, as there are often hidden fasteners connecting the bumper to the vehicle's chassis. Now, focus on the undercarriage. Loosen any bolts and nuts holding the rear undercover in place. Don't forget to disconnect the main bumper electrical connector, which powers components like license plate lights. With these undone, you can start to gently separate the bumper's sides from the vehicle, releasing any remaining clips. With all fasteners and connections released, the bumper is ready for final detachment. Carefully slide the entire bumper straight back and away from the vehicle. It's highly recommended to have a helper support the bumper to prevent damage. Always double-check for any overlooked wires or attachments before fully pulling it free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.